What's going on, guys? I don't even know how to sit with this thing. It's a teardrop shape. And I guess you would sit like this, but unlike a flying V, it doesn't have a good place to rest on my thigh. Anyways, here it is. This was a Washburn House of Blues, the death metal arms. If you were watching if you've seen the first and second video, you've seen what it looked like, and you've seen me annihilate it with just a handsaw. Took the top off it. It had a weird little a weird shape, and it really looked bad with the House of Blues logo like right under it. And I took the arms off, gave it a teardrop, took the speed knobs that were on there, took them off, put standard Telecaster knobs on there. Everything else has remained the same, other than, of course, I addressed all the adjustment issues and whatnot. Hardtailed it because as you know, with cheap guitars, tremolos don't work. They don't ever really hold. I mean, the tremolo works, but the strings don't stay in tune on a cheap guitar's tremolo, so I hardtailed that. It seems to be working just great. Everything else I left the same. Down the road, I might repaint it, just because I have this vision in my head of it going blue, like this. This is my Squire, made in China, and it was originally black, so with the larger headstock, I cut that off, relicked it, gave the neck a darker color. So anyways, this is the color I kind of have envisioned for the teardrop. But for now, I wanted to get it together, get the strings on it, and see how she works. So I'll give you guys a sound test. Death metal, Teardrop. Basically done in an afternoon. Took me 2 days, but that's only because I was slacking on it. Changed out the knobs, took off the arms, took off the nub at the end of the headstock. The top of the headstock was black, and I just sanded that down and gave it a half-ass stain. Other than that, a little bit of a setup, adjusted the heights of the pickups, cleaned it up a little bit, hardtailed it, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay guitarded, even if you're broke.